welcome back, guys. Here we are. We're gonna do some work on the hood today. You've seen that I've done fiberglass work on it. I've done the primer on it, and today we're gonna do a bit of a color reveal. All right, here we go. Check it out. This is it. This is it. You're thinking, what? That's plastic. No, it's vinyl. We're gonna try and wrap this hood because I had a thought on the Dune Buggy. You can buy this stuff. This is the high quality, really good, Vivid Plus high mill, thick mill vinyl. All right, it comes in 48-inch wide sheets in any length you want. This just they roll it off on a printer. All right, not a problem. There's no dimension on that Dune Buggy, top to bottom, that's greater than 4 feet. Realistically, wrap the hood with one sheet and then start from the middle, wrap your way around the back, all the way around the back and back to the middle. You can wrap that car, that Dune Buggy, with one sheet of vinyl. That covers the entire outside of the car. Inside, that's totally different. I've got something else in mind. A little bit further down the road, I've got some carpet I'm gonna put down on the floors and maybe do something. I'm thinking maybe a carbon fiber wrap on the inside of the panels that are exposed. But today we're gonna go with this. So we've got some stuff we need to do first. You wanna make sure your vinyl's warm. Yeah, it's on the roll, but it's sitting on the truck. You know, hey, it's gonna warm up. It's plenty warm out here. It's already 92 degrees at 10:30 in the morning on Sunday, or on Monday, Labor Day. Happy Labor Day. But you want to make sure that your surface is clean. All right, now this is a primered surface. This is not a painted surface. There's a chance that I'm gonna see imperfections come through this, but that's okay. I want to see how it looks. I want to see if I can do it. So I'm gonna just take some of my Purple Power degreaser, spray this thing down. I've used this on this finish before and haven't ruined the finish. There's no finish to ruin, but I want to get all the grit and grime that's been floating down from the ceiling and all my other work. Get all that off. Get it nice and clean. And look at that. That's pretty gross. So there's plenty of stuff that's coming off this. Get the imperfections off because you want to promote maximum adhesion with that vinyl. And that's part of why I'm trying to be safe here with the sawhorses. I'm trying to make it so it's not going to fall or walk around. I figure if I can vinyl wrap this thing and it looks good, maybe I don't need to paint it. Maybe I can have it done sooner than I expected. All right, there we go. So give that a second to dry. Get some tools. Went on the marketplace, and when I bought that off Amazon Marketplace from a good dealer. It comes with a little edger so you can get it down into the edges. It comes with a brand new razor knife. It also comes with a couple of squeegees and cutting tools so you can get it, soft edge squeegees so you can work the material in and around. So these are going to be invaluable, guys. So keep these handy. You get the little table, put it off here to the side. Now I've watched a few videos. Doesn't make me an expert. I'm gonna screw this up, guys. I guarantee I'm gonna screw this up, but it's okay. So you get an idea. It's gonna lay over the edges, and then I can trim the edges. I'm gonna have extra on the back. When they deliver the roll to me, it's got some Scotch tape. So I'm gonna have that roll back under the edge. Not a big deal. I peel it and start adhering it. Now, there's a couple things to have handy. One is a heat gun. So I'm gonna grab my heat gun and then all your razor blades and stuff like that. Heat gun will help you heat and stretch the vinyl and fit it in place. Let's see what we can do here. All right, so I've cleaned my surface. My stuff relatively centered up. I picked this OD green. I like it. It contrasts with like tan seats I have. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna find a corner. I'm gonna start peeling the adhesive or the protective back off so that I can start the contact surface with the back lip of the car or of the hood over here. All right. Now it can wrinkle, it can fold, it all stretches out with the heat gun, okay? That's the beauty of having the heat gun. As long as it doesn't ball up, you know, you can snap the stuff pretty straight later and work on it. I don't know what to say. This is an art form, guys. Just like any other work, paint work, anything else, it's an art form. The more you do it, the better you get. You can see all the bubbles I got in there, and all the imperfections underneath show up. Is it perfect? No. Is it functional? Maybe. Gives me an idea for colors. I'm going to throw it on the car, and we're going to live with it for a little bit. And if I don't like it, the beauty is it's vinyl. I learned some stuff along the way. Learned that I can mess things up. I can try again, like complex angles. I guess I need to watch some more videos. And hey, by the way, don't get the heat gun too close. But hey, that's what it is. All right, here we go. Headlights are on, straightened up, hood's on, windshield's on, dashboard's in. It's not perfect, guys, but hey, it's a work in progress. That's why they call them projects, right? Not dones. They don't call them dones. I'm gonna bolt the body to the chassis. You get the ribbing in there, you know, the weather stripping. I'm a little tired, a little hot. It's about 95 degrees here in the sun. So I'm gonna go inside and cool down first, and then we'll work on getting that body bolted down. And maybe it'll start later.